Hello, I'm Dr. Grace Prescott, and today we're going to uncover a surprising secret for men over 60. Do you feel like your energy has dropped, your self-confidence is wavering, or your body just doesn't respond like it used to? What if I told you the key to reigniting your vitality could be in two simple ingredients you already have at home: lemon and garlic? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful home remedies that can revitalize your circulation and awaken your dormant virility, making you feel 25 again, even at 90. Friends, before we move on, let's talk about the real problem. Understand that a man's strength and vigor aren't determined solely by age, but by the health of his veins and blood vessels. However, over time, those same veins that were once full of vigor and energy can start becoming less efficient. Blood flow in the body can decrease, hormone levels can drop, and that inner heat that used to exist can cool down. The result is that desire may be there, but the body might not keep up. Often, the vitality response doesn't form properly or can fade quickly. A person might start feeling discouraged inside, and that self-confidence he once had in his own strength can turn into shame or doubt. It's common to think, is everything over for me? But friends, that's not the truth. This isn't an exclusive sign of age. It's buildup of impurities in the body, unwanted substances, and deficiencies, vit deficiencies. And when that blockage is cleared from the vessels, when the body gets the natural substances it needs, even 70 or 80 can feel like 25. So there's no need to worry. Just give your body the right nutrition and cleansing wisely. And that's exactly what lemon and garlic do. Now let's move forward and learn the first remedy that will increase blood flow in your veins and bring out that repressed enthusiasm. But remember, friends, each remedy must be prepared exactly as directed, or the effect will be incomplete. The first remedy is lemon and garlic juice. To open blood vessels and boost flow, you'll need a glass of warm water. Add the juice of half a lemon and 2 finely chopped garlic cloves. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning. Garlic contains a substance called allicin, which helps thin the blood and remove fat buildup or other impurities in the vessels. Lemon, in turn, works to eliminate toxins from the body and increase vessel elasticity. When these two combine and are ingested, vitality returns to the vessels. Blood starts flowing faster, which can lead to firmer responses and increased stamina. Many older adults have reported that in just 7 days, their bodies felt lighter and more energetic than before, as if the enthusiasm had returned. But friends, never take it in large amounts. Just once a day, continuously for 7 days. This is the first step to removing accumulated impurities from your body. And yes, the second remedy I'm about to tell you will not only increase strength, but also awaken a feeling of inner warmth and energy, so don't miss it. Like now and type 1 in the comments if you're ready to learn the second remedy. Now, the second remedy is the incredible combination of garlic, lemon, and honey to boost vigor and vitality. The way to prepare it is just as special as its effect. In a glass jar, put half a cup of pure honey, 5 crushed garlic cloves, and the juice of 2 lemons. Cover and let it rest for 3 days so the garlic extract dissolves into the honey. Then take 1 teaspoon in the morning and another at night. Friends, this mixture works on the deepest vessels in the body. Honey gives warmth and energy to the body. Lemon improves digestion, and garlic increases oxygen in the vessels. When these 3 unite, a natural hormonal awakening occurs in the body. Many people say that just 5 days later, they felt in their bodies that strength that had been absent for years. Remember not to take it on an empty stomach or right after meals. Keep a 1-hour gap. Now, the third remedy will eliminate fatigue from your body and leave you ready to last all night. So pay attention to the next part. This will surprise you. Hit the like button now and type 1 in the comments if you're ready to learn the third remedy. If you have questions, type 0. The third remedy, friends, is for those who say, I want to, but my body can't keep up. Meaning there's strength in the body, but fatigue and lethargy have increased so much that it's hard to maintain vigor for long. In this recipe, we'll make a combination of garlic and milk that will give energy for the whole night and increase stamina levels from the inside out. All you need to do is, at night, take a glass of warm milk. Add a small piece of finely crushed garlic and boil for 5 minutes. When the milk is slightly cool, drink it slowly. Remember not to add sugar. Just leave the garlic and milk. When garlic boils in milk, its acidity decreases. but the strength and effect increase many times over. This mixture balances your body's inner heat. It removes accumulated fatigue from the vessels and increases blood flow. Drink it continuously for just 5 nights. When you wake up in the morning, you'll feel that lightness and enthusiasm in your body that you might not have felt in years. And friends, the 4th remedy coming up will give new life to your body. It's the explosive mix of lemon, ginger, and garlic. So don't stop the video here. Like now and type next recipe so this video reaches more people who are tired and want to feel young again. Now let's talk about the 4th remedy, the powerful lemon, ginger, and garlic tonic. This recipe is for those friends who often complain of weakness, laziness, and lack of vigor. The way to prepare it is to take 10 garlic cloves, a large piece of ginger, and the juice of 3 lemons and blend them in a blender. Then put this mixture in a glass jar, add half a cup of pure honey, and refrigerate. Take 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach every morning. This recipe helps increase testosterone levels in your body, which boosts energy and self-confidence. Ginger brings heat to the body, lemon removes toxins, and garlic keeps vessels open. When these 3 work together, your body awakens from the inside out as if a fire has been lit again. But remember, friends, try this continuously for at least 5 days. Only then will the full effect be visible. And now the 5th and final remedy I'm going to tell you will keep you active all night. This is the secret formula that even ancient healers and masters used. So friends, the 5th and most secret remedy is the mixture of lemon nectar, garlic, and homemade ghee. This recipe is considered the most effective for awakening male heat inside the body and giving life to the genital area vessels. The way is to finely chop 3 garlic cloves. Add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of homemade ghee. Warm it slightly and gently massage the navel and thighs for 5 minutes before bed. Remember, this recipe is not for eating, it's only for massage. Garlic warms the inner vessels, ghee nourishes them, and lemon removes inflammation and blockages from the body. Do this for just 7 days. You'll feel for yourself that not only has blood flow increased, but the vitality response is stronger and lasts longer than before. This is the secret that revives your youth. But friends, as I said, use these 5 remedies only according to the indicated method and rules, or the effect will be incomplete. So friends, if you really want your nights to be full of enthusiasm and self-confidence again, for that same pride and satisfaction to appear in your partner's eyes, just start using these 5 remedies from today. Don't waste money on medications or pills. These 2 blessings from nature, lemon and garlic, are enough to restore your vitality. Just have a little patience and follow the rules. If you want me to tell you which of these formulas should be adopted forever in your daily routine, then say in the comments, "I need video 2." Share this video with your friends, brothers, and everyone who still wants to reignite the fire inside. Remember, even in old age, vitality isn't a dream. You just need the right method.